seeing you guys here. Welcome back to another episode, guys. Today, we're going to show you our new and improved sneaker collection. I know it's been a while since we've recorded one of these. Since then, moved into a new house. Actually got a dedicated room to display all of our shoes. Added a bunch of them since you guys have last seen it, so we're excited to show you. Let's get right into it.
Let's do it.
Quadrant of the bookshelf, we got like a bunch of SB Dunks right here. Got one pair of regular Dunks, and then some miscellaneous pairs down here that we didn't have enough shoes to create its own category section. Here we have Jordan 4s. Again, miscellaneous pair right here.
Just thrown in there, and then we got the Air Max ones from here all the way to here, and then we've got 5 pairs of the Sakai's.
Highly recommend.
Different collabs. Highly recommend, like Tia said. 1 pair of Kobe's down there. And then this wall, take a wild guess what it is. Just don't look at this one. What are these ones, Tia?
This is the Jordan 1 wall. Kind of have it color coordinated, kind of don't. Did our best on that. But basically everything here, besides a handful of pairs, are our daily wears. I mean, you see them in the videos, what shoes we're wearing every day. Luckily, if you guys do not already know, Anastasia and I wear the same size.
Yes.
Fortunate enough, so we get to share a lot of this stuff. Pick out some of our favorites. I don't think I've shown these off on video yet. Just start off with probably my absolute favorite pair in the whole bundle. Picked up, finally found a size 7.5 Fear 4. I think I got them off Goat. Someone, it just randomly appeared and gave me the notification. They were actually a good price. I think I paid around $4.50. Really clean though. All the stars are on there. Beautiful pair. I'm so hyped to get these.
I know. We've been looking for those for so long, and they've never popped up online or brought into the store or anything yet. People have brought in like 7Y, but we can't run that. So we gotta have the 7.5 men. I know she was super excited when she told me that she finally found them.
Yeah, and I mean, if you look on StockX right now, I don't even think there is a 7.5 for sale. If there is, it's probably over $1,000 listed. So they're hard to find clean. They're hard to find in smaller sizes. So super hyped.
I don't know if I'd go with my favorite, but one that I probably wear often. Man, lately, like Tia said, highly recommend the Sakai's. I feel like either of these are ones that I've just been wearing as a daily, especially as the summer days here in Seattle come to an end. Any of the Sakai's. We've got the OG black colorway, the Fragment collab in the gray, and then we also have the Fragment collab in the blue here.
We also recently picked these guys up, unreleased as of this video. We got the Undercover collab, the blue/plum colorway. It's got like a nice suede on the top, and then a nylon toe box. Got the white and blue laces. I'm glad they didn't do the same color laces like they did on some of the other ones. Yeah. But yeah, that royal blue, really nice.
Pops. And it's got leather. It's got the leather around here.
Yeah, there's a bunch of materials going on here. I did have to go up half a size on this shoe. The older Sakai's, like the original colorways that they did, true 7.5. These guys I would go up. What's up, Moscow?
Well, hi.
I would go up half a size on these newer collabs, the Undercover and the Fragment. Of course, I was raving about these a couple videos ago. We got the Clot Air Max 1 in the, I don't know what they call it. I think it's the Solar Red colorway. It's got the translucent bottom, gray midsole, and then it's got like a suede over here, which you can kind of already see. They've gotten some love already. And then I was a little bit worried about the open toe mesh just for weather and stuff. It actually kept my foot pretty cool throughout the day, which was nice. I went true to size on these guys, just FYI.
I feel like we haven't picked up any new Jordan ones lately. I feel like the most recent pair we've picked up was probably these, the 1994 Jordan ones. If you guys saw us in SneakerCon Bay Area, I did wear these for one of the days. They held up pretty well. I did have to switch into some other shoes towards like the last hour and a half, just being on my feet all day. As far as the Jordan 1, this is the most recent pickup that we've had on those.
Yep. Jordan 4s, I love them. They are not the most comfortable for me. Probably like a 2 to 3 hour wear. Anything past that, it just kind of kills my foot. I don't know, it's like on the arch part, but classic. One of my favorite pairs, white cement 4s. I try to keep these as clean as I can because I know this mesh, or I'm sorry, this netting can get really yellow. So I've worn these a lot, but I try to like I try to wear them lightly.
Same thing, these bread 4s. We've had these ones for a while. I think Tia wore them once for a couple hours. I've worn them once like all day. And I love the shoe, love the silhouette. But at the end of the day for our feet, it just for some reason starts to hurt. And it's very unfortunate because it is one of our favorite models.
Yeah, it's just one of those shoes that needs to be broken into.
Yeah.
Another slept on one is, I think this is the mushroom or the fossil colorway. It is a women's shoe and I think it only goes up to maybe a 12 women. So only available in 10 and a half men. So sleeper, but very clean colorway. It's got like the shiny, almost iridescent tongue patch on there. Really nice. Not a very good Pacific Northwest shoe because it's got that suede which will stain in the rain. I haven't worn these that much, but it's a really nice shoe.
Another one we somewhat recently picked up and I have yet to wear, but Tia did wear them the day that we bought them. She undiesed them. The 2017
Fire.
Atmos Air Max ones. Love this shoe. I know that we've always talked about getting it, and again, our size, it's a unicorn size. It doesn't pop up very often. So when we do, that is kind of why we jump on them, just because for us to like, oh, I'll wait till the next one. The next time sometimes take a long time or doesn't happen at all.
It is not happening. Another one of my favorites. I think
we like all our shoes.
Most of them are my favorites. This one, I did not see that stain mark.
Let's start, I'll clean it.
Oh my goodness gracious. Wow.
What are you doing to these shoes, T?
I don't know. There's like poop on the other side too. This is the London Air Max one. I found these in my size recently. That's not actually poop, guys. I think it's dirt.
Should just be it. Oh, yeah.
But also a bunch of different really awesome textures on here. I wouldn't say this is a suede, it's more like a nubuck. And then we got the suede on the mid, and then even some corduroy over here. Got the all gray bottom, got some blue hits in there. And then I don't really know what that is, but
something to do with London, maybe?
Really fire. Great neutral colors. Love this shoe. Air Max 1s have been my go-to lately. Just something I can wear for like 8 hours and be comfortable in, so.
Dude, relax, Moscow. Alright, let's talk about some of the ones that are still dead stock in here, why they're dead stock, and why we now have them on the wall versus why we didn't before. We've got these. First off, what the P-Rods and the Habibis.
And the
laser oranges.
Laser orange. These ones are, I wanted to keep them dead stock until summertime. Summertime came and passed. I never wore them, I just never got to it. A little bit more of a difficult color to match with. Really fire shoe, but yeah, I just haven't got the chance to wear them yet. I will one of these days.
And as far as these two go, we did try the Habibis on, and we just both noticed that for some reason, like right here in the toe box, right at the top of it where like your pinky toe is, it really rubs there like the wrong way, and I don't know if it's just the extra materials they use to get like that double tongue on there, but same thing with these, it's just like that thicker material. It's not very...
These ones I hit for retail.
Yeah, these ones she did from a local skate shop, 35th North, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So as much as we like this shoe, we just haven't got around to wearing it.
We'll wear it one of these days.
Yeah. Travis 6s.
This is one I've put through the ringer, probably one of the first pairs of SBs that I've got. It's the corduroy SB Dunk. These things are trashed. I've worn them many times to walk Moscow. It's just a really comfortable shoe. Really like corduroy. As you can tell, a lot of the shoes have corduroy on them. I think it looks really nice. Pretty neutral colors. Got the gum bottom. This is a fire pair. They look really nice dead stock. Don't look as nice as worn as these are. Another pretty worn pair.
Personal favorites right here. Yeah, pretty worn. I have cleaned these. I've taken the suede eraser to the pink spots, and it does lighten up the brown a little bit, but just because of age and just because of stains, and who knows what many other people wore these before us, because we did buy these pre-owned. This
is one of our few size 7s too, so they fit me a little bit snug.
And they fit me just right.
Yeah, these are really cool though. Love this pair. Another really fun pair that I like to wear. It's pretty bright, so gotta wear like all black with it usually. The Club 58 SB Dunk. Got that really bright baby blue. I rock the orange and the black laces in there. It's a fun pair to wear. They definitely pop on foot.
This one you just got not too long ago. The baby Dior's. What are we gonna call these?
I don't know.
These are sick though. Jordan 1 lows with that translucent bottom. Got Dior
alternate
vibes.
Dior's.
Yeah, there you go. A shoe that you can just wear with whatever because it's so neutral, but it's clean enough.
They're really comfortable too. Yeah. I was like a little bit worried about that, but I wore them all day the other day and did me well. If you guys watched the SneakerCon video, this is one of the pairs that we picked up. Travis Scott Fragment. Jordan lows. Haven't gotten the chance to wear them. We'll see.
We'll see. I really do like the original, the mocha brown colorway of them. Those are really nice, but it's always, even for us, it's really hard to un-DS a shoe.
Yeah.
No matter what. I think there's only a couple pairs in here that we paid resale for that were brand new and we actually un-DS'd them. A lot of them we buy used because if we're gonna wear them anyway, why not, you know?
Got some UNC Jordan 3s. Really fire shoe. It's a little bulky on our foot. They've got
Colorway's awesome.
Gotten a few wears. I like the elephant print on there. Really nice. Super clean shoe.
All right, so
that's her. That's her. All her shelf.
So the bottom shelf, Tia doesn't like to talk about because it's apparently my shelf, which I understand because it really is. First off, the CPFM Vapormaxes. I absolutely love this shoe.
Trash.
Tia hates it.
Trash.
I don't know why. I love the pop-out swoosh. I love the smileys on the back. Just the whole design on them is awesome. Love it. Second pair.
Trash.
You know I love Easy Slides. I've got 3 colorways in them. These are the ones that I first got. I've got the glows on right now, and then I got another pair sitting in the living room or somewhere. Love the Easy Slides. Comfort, wear them all day in the house. Third pair, I don't even really want to show these. I've worn them once. These are the Mineral Blue Foam Runners. You can tell I've only worn them once, because if you see that tag, the size tag is still on the inside, and everybody knows it has these. Once you wear them once, that thing falls off of there. I do not find these more comfortable or even as comfortable as Yeezy Slides, so kind of feel like it was a bad purchase because I don't really rock with them that much. So I might have to get rid of these ones.
So we just have a few other random ones. Some Chicago SB Dunks. Another pair that we haven't worn. Actually, she has worn these. The Para SB Dunks. I think we hit these retail, if I'm not mistaken.
I think so. I think you're right.
Got some Travis Scott SBs. We wear these a lot. And they actually hold up really well. I mean, I've probably worn these 30 or 40 times and they look, I mean, all the stars are on there still.
I do recommend keeping these ones stuffed when you're not wearing them because this material on the toe box, it does crease really easily.
Yeah.
And then if you leave it with all the creases in it, it just like submerges in there. So I always stuff them after we take them off just to help hold that toe box shape.
I've kept the rope laces in there because I think it looks the best out of all the laces. Another one, I really like this shoe. I wore it a ton when I first got it. Kind of slowed down a little bit as they've gotten a little bit more worn. I want to preserve it a little bit. Just a classic. Everybody loves these. The Panda Dunks. I've worn them once. Not very comfortable.
All right, a couple other highlights / stories for stuff.
Yeah, I think you
I love the
these more than
Shans.
me.
Oh, I love the Shans. I think this is our 3rd pair, and it took us 3 tries to get the size that we needed.
The size is funky on these guys.
Super funky. They definitely run big, so we had a 7.5, thought it worked, didn't work, sold it. A year later, maybe, we bought another one. I think we also got a 7.5, not remembering what the other one was. Same thing, had it, didn't fit, finally found a size 7.
Yeah.
Picked up the size 7, got rid of the 7.5, and these fit like a glove. So nice, so if you guys are trying to get these, definitely go down half a size.
Yeah, for sure. Do not make the same mistake we did.
I did hit on the Hall of Fame Cody's retail. They are a little bit tight on my feet, so I might have to take that insole out at some point.
Here's the one size 8, besides the guys, that we have. I came across these, could not pass them up. You see how clean these are. Really hard to find the military blue in a clean size. No cracking going on, no yellowing going on. Worn these a couple times. They are a little bit big, unfortunately, but I make it work. Shout out Megan for these. Retro of those would be perfect. They could put the Nike Air on the back or something. That would be fire.
Another one that we hit for retail. And you know, I feel like we've been saying that a lot. Oh, we hit this for retail, we hit this for retail. But I swear, I take so many L's, I don't even know. I guess this is a good like timeline of accumulation.
Yeah.
But man, Tia hits. Tia hit these. Tia hit all the other stuff. My luck is so bad on sneakers. But we do have a pair of the Fire Red 4s. Brand new, haven't got a chance to wear them yet.
We also have a pair of the Off-White 4s. This is another one that was really uncomfortable when we first got it. These ones we actually have had the chance to break in and they've gotten a lot more comfortable as we have worn them. Another one that's kind of hard to keep clean. But this one, I mean, probably gotten 20 wears out of it and it looks a good steal. We've missed this one. This is one of our favorites as well, the Off-White Prestos. One of the only Off-White shoes that we have. Love it. Fun fact, if you guys do have Prestos or anything with this foam, if you take a heat gun to it, you can get the creases out. That's what we do every other probably every like few wears or whatever, just to preserve them, keep them looking nice. But it really like does wonders, I swear. You guys just put a heat gun to it, clean it.
I'm looking fresh. Union 4s in the Tau Paste colorway. We did have the Union Noors, the black ones, the original ones, and for whatever reason we decided to sell them. And then these dropped, and guess what? What'd you do? How'd you get these, Tia?
I hit them for retail off the Union site. I actually entered, and I was like, there's no way I'm gonna get them. And then I got the email from Union, hit them for retail.
I know.
Put the tongue up.
Yep. First thing she did was, I'm gonna snip that stitch.
Yeah, it took me like 20 minutes each shoe, and then I saw a YouTube video of how someone did it in like 30 seconds. Now they're really one of my favorites. Green Glow 4. Yeah, I don't know how much to say about this one, but it's fire.
Air Maxes we wear often. Beaters, the Royals, and the like mint.
Yeah.
Remember these called? Something like that?
I think they're aqua or mint or something.
Yeah.
Recently picked these ones out, the Puerto Rico. Got the alternate blue and the red. These things are fire.
Man, I think that's about everything this way. I'm gonna hide all this stuff, but that's everything that way. Well, besides, I mean, the only pair we didn't really bring up, Travis 6s, the one pair that I can remember that I actually hit for retail on Travis's website through his raffle. Didn't think anybody actually won it. I personally am not a huge 6s fan, but I kind of kept it for the principle of hitting it for retail. How they smell?
Kind of losing that new smell a little bit. They were pretty potent when I first got them.
Yeah, definitely.
You got them. Yeah, me either. Not a very big 6 fan, but it's still, I mean, got them for retail. Might as well just keep them. All these boxes are just empty boxes. We haven't had a chance to get rid of them yet. I'll probably throw them in the attic or do something with them. Recently picked up this off-white grass rug. Got hooked up by one of our buddies. We do have one in the shop, but that one's pretty crusty. We wanted to get a brand new one for in here, and I feel like it ties them together pretty well. Yeah.
I think we had a couple cause pieces before we moved, but we like kept them in the boxes. And once we moved, we knew that we wanted some on display in our sneaker room. So we do have a couple up here. I don't remember what any of them are called, but this one is the one that's like sitting down, closing his eyes. This one's holding the little pink guy. And then I love that one, the face down, just like I'm over it. That's probably one of my favorite ones there.
And then we just have a couple over here. We have a Murakami little pillow guy in here. We just moved into here, so we're gonna get floating shelves, kind of configure the cause figures and hang up the photos, probably hang this mirror right here. Shout out Chase. Shout out Jacob too. He gifted us this black BFF cause for our housewarming party.
Much love, Jacob.
Super nice.
Thank you so much.
We have a couple others over here. This guy that's kind of laying on his back, and then we have another one right here. Shout out Kyan for this one. We have this framed Ralph Romero print that he photographed and sent us some prints of, so we threw them in some frames. Gonna hang this one up somewhere. But yeah, guys, I think that's about it. We are gonna save those Jordan ones for another video. We have a lot to talk about, so I don't want to bore you guys for too long. We'll save it for another episode. But yeah, comment down below what your guys' favorite sneaker out of our sneakers are.
Comment which ones you think we need to get next now that you've seen what we have. If anything needs to like be paired with something or looks good with something, let us know in the comments below.
Drop me some Air Max 1 colorways too, guys. I've been chasing them. Yeah, guys, if you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. We would appreciate it.
The more subscribers we get, the more treats we give Moscow.
Yeah.
He said, yeah, hit that subscribe button, guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching. Much love. We really appreciate everybody taking the time to watch it. But for now, we out. Get out of here. Leave.